Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this particular video, we are going to be looking at the Ichimoku Cloud, all right, but with a twist, okay? So if you think Ichimoku is only for long-term trends, then think again, all right? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Ichimoku Cloud as a powerful scalping tool for short-term precise entries and exits. So whether you are new to scalping or looking to improve your strategy, by the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to make Ichimoku scalping a key part of your trading game. So first things first, let us set up our chart and break down the Ichimoku Cloud. Now the Ichimoku Kinko Hayo, or simply Ichimoku, consists of 5 main elements. Let us just add on the indicator to our chart so that we can look at it in detail, right? So this is the Ichimoku Kinko Hayo indicator, all right? Now, the Ichimoku Kinko Hayo consists of the Tenkan-sen, right? Remember, it's 5 main elements that consist or that comprises the Ichimoku Kinko Hayo, right? So we have the Tenkan-sen, we have the Kijun-sen, we have the Chikou Span, right? We have the Tenkan-sen, we have the Kijun-sen, we have the Chikou Span, the Chikou Span, and we have the Kumo Cloud. All right. Now, these components together give us a complete picture of support, resistance, momentum, and trend direction. So we can see the Tenkan-sen is the red line, the Kijun-sen is the blue line, the Chikou Span is the line. Then we have the up Kumo and the down Kumo. So these are the 5 components of the Ichimoku Kinko Hayo, the 5 of them. All right. So let us start with the Tenkan-sen, okay? The Tenkan-sen, which is the blue line, right? Okay, the red, sorry. The red is the Tenkan-sen. Okay, so let us start with the Tenkan-sen, which is the red line, okay? The red line, it is also called the conversion line, okay? Now, this short-term line is crucial for scalping. Now, because we're talking about scalping, let us go to the 15-minute time frame, all right? Now, this short-term line, being the Tenkan-sen, is crucial for scalping as it tracks faster price movements, making it a go-to for identifying quick entry points. All right. Now, right alongside it, we have the Kijun-sen. I think the Kijun-sen should be the blue line, right? Yeah, the Kijun-sen is the baseline. It's also called the baseline. All right. The Kijun-sen is slower moving and gives us a bigger picture of the trend direction. Now, when the Tenkan-sen crosses above the Kijun-sen, let us just look at very practical examples right away. We can see that the red line crosses above the blue line indicates a buy signal, right? When the Tenkan-sen crosses above the Kijun-sen, it indicates a buy signal, all right? It's a potential buying opportunity. As a scalper, when you see this crossover, you might want to enter buy trades, like look for buy trades. And when you enter, you can set your stop loss just below the swing low, right? As a scalper, you are looking for quick price moves, right? You are looking to catch every possible move in the market. So you want to make sure that you are fast when entering and you are fast when exiting, right? So when you enter your buy trade, after you get the crossovers between the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen, you just want to watch out for a bearish crossover as your exit signal, basically, right? So when you enter a buy after this crossover, you can exit after you get the crossover around here, because we had a Tenkan-sen cross below the Kijun-sen. So that would have been an exit signal for our buy trade. And then the reverse is the case for a sell, right? For a sell, you just have to look out for the Tenkan-sen cross below the Kijun-sen, right? And then you set your stop loss just right above the swing high. And if you take profits or for your exits, you just wait for the Tenkan-sen to cross above the Kijun-sen. And then you use that for your exit signal for a sell, right? Now, let us talk about the Kumo Cloud itself, okay? The Kumo Cloud. Now, the Kumo Cloud is this shaded area on the chart. We can see this shaded area on the chart. That is what we call the Kumo Cloud, okay? Now, it represents areas of support and resistance, potential support and resistance, okay? So when prices are above the Kumo, when you have price trading above the Kumo Cloud, it often indicates an uptrend, right? So we can see now, let us look for a couple of examples. We can see in this situation, we had price trading above the Kumo Cloud, and we can see that it was actually an uptrend, right? Because price was going up. We can see this situation, we had price trading below the Kumo cloud, and we can see that it was actually a downtrend. You can see that the price was going down, right? You can see this another example. The price was trading above the Kumo cloud, and you can see it was an uptrend. You can see, right? This is another situation trading above the Kumo cloud, and we can see it was an uptrend. Okay, we can see now this is another example trading above the Kumo cloud, and we can see that this was an uptrend. So basically, the Kumo cloud serves as potential support and resistance zones, right? Dynamic support and resistance zones. Okay, so for scalpers, the edges of this cloud are especially important for determining entries and exits. Now, the cloud's thickness also plays a role. Okay, thicker clouds suggest stronger trends. Now let us look at very practical examples. Can we see that when we have the price trending upwards in a strong manner, right? We can see that this was quite a steep slope, right? So we can see that the Kumo cloud was quite thick compared to what we had around here. When you have the Kumo cloud thin in thickness, right? When you have a thin Kumo cloud, it shows small volatility. It shows a possible ranging market. So you might prefer to just stay away from the market when you have the Kumo cloud thin. Can we see here? Here, can see it was a ranging market. But when the Kumo cloud begins to expand, yeah, it shows that there is increase in volatility, like what we had here, right? It shows an increase in volatility. All right. Now that we have the basics down, let us go through the setup for Ichimoku scalping. Okay, so first, make sure you have the Ichimoku indicator activated on your chart. Obviously, you need to load the indicator to your chart, all right? And now to make the lines less overwhelming, some traders prefer adjusting colors or hiding the Chikou Span entirely for scalping purposes, all right? Because we can see the Chikou Span, the way the Chikou Span functions is quite different from the Tenkan-sen, from the Kijun-sen. Remember, the Tenkan-sen crossing above the Kijun-sen gives us a buy signal. The Tenkan-sen crossing below the Kijun-sen gives us a sell signal. And then price trading above both the Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, and Kumo cloud indicates a buy trend, and price trading below them indicates a sell trend. But in the case of a Chikou Span, we can see that in a buy trend, the Chikou Span is above the price, right? So you can see that the principles behind both of their functionalities are quite different. So some traders, perhaps in order to avoid confusion or to just focus on the ones that matters the most, they just hide the Chikou Span completely, right? But you can decide to leave it on your chart, or you can decide to hide it as well. Okay, so first of all, you need to identify the Tenkan-sen when you are scalping, right? And you want to look for setups, specific setups. You need to identify the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen crossovers. Okay, the Tenkan-sen is the red line, the Kijun-sen is the blue line. So you have to identify the crossovers between the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen. All right, now especially when they happen near cloud edges. So when you have the crossover happening around the edge of the Kumo cloud, that is even better. Okay, so now the second thing to do is to look for confirmation with price action. If price breaks above or below the Kumo cloud in line with your crossover signal, this could be a powerful confirmation. Okay, then lastly, you need to keep an eye on the cloud's future direction. A thickening cloud in your trade direction often confirms strength. Okay, but a thinning cloud could signal caution. Now, basically, that is that is how to use this Ichimoku Kinko Hayo for scalping purposes. All right, this is an effective indicator that you can use as a scalper. All right, it's an effective indicator, but note that this indicator does not guarantee profit. Like every other indicator out there, the Ichimoku Kinko Hayo is not foolproof. It does not guarantee profit, and then you can also confirm your signals with other indicators and make sure you always make use of price action, trend lines, support and resistance levels. Very important. Okay, now here's where scalping with Ichimoku gets interesting, and it can save you from false signals. With Ichimoku scalping, it's important to look for confirmation in volume, all right, or wait for the candle closes to verify trend direction. Okay, avoid entering right in the middle of the Kumo cloud. Okay, when you have the price inside the Kumo cloud, please stay out. All right, because you might not know if that's resistance. Remember that the Kumo cloud serves as dynamic support and resistance. So when price is within the cloud, you might not know if there's going to be a breakout or if there's going to be a reversal. So it's better to stay out when the price is within the cloud. Wait for a clear direction. All right. Now, here's a quick checklist to keep in mind. Okay. Do watch for clear Tenkan-Kijun crossovers. Okay. Secondly, do look for confirmations near the cloud edges. Thirdly, don't enter trades in the middle of the cloud unless you see clear breakout signs. And lastly, do set tight stop losses, okay, since scalping is all about short, precise trades. Now, if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll be covering more advanced Ichimoku techniques in future videos, all right? So stay tuned if you're interested in leveling up your Forex trading. And as always, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's any other strategy that you'd like me to dive into next. All right. Thanks for watching and happy trading. Remember, trading is a journey. All right. So stay disciplined, stay informed, and let the Ichimoku Cloud guide you to better trades. Until next time, stay smart and stay profitable. Thanks for watching. Cheers and happy trading.